So, what are you making now?
So we're making a drink that is called a Everyday Hangover Helper, or Everyday Helper as some of my employees and customers call it. And it's a half a teaspoon of our H3O, half a teaspoon of our wild berry bev mix, a half a teaspoon of our CR7, which helps with it, protein, hydration, and then the pomegranate lift off, which they're already pre-crushed. We like grape, quarter of a teaspoon, and rainbow candy is our other flavor that we put in this. The cool thing about it is any of our teas can be made this way, so if you have a different flavor profile, you can do that. We add a little bit of hot water. Protein needs a little bit of extra help because it takes the protein a little bit longer to dissolve because it's got a little bit of whey protein in it, the whey protein isolate. Not always, get a little bit more water in there to get all the product out of whatever cup I'm using.